Hey guys, Glen Online. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Let me just check my sound levels here. All good, all good, all good. Okay, today's episode is, what do we got here? Interview off. Oh, I got new. My software just updated, so I've got new things on it. Okay, make money from anywhere just using your phone. There's my girls. Oops. Um, and this. So what is this? All right. If you like money, then make sure you hit subscribe. Now, if you like videos about making money online, then make sure you hit subscribe to my channel, hit the notification, and I'm gonna get into this. A lot of people want to know exactly how to make money, and there's a few ways. Actually, I have another one I'm going to show you, but I don't have that much time tonight, so I'm going to do a video next time. But I'm going to show you actually how to promote free things on Clickbank. But today, because we just had a launch of a brand new webpage, and I think I want you guys to take advantage of it because it's really, really cool. It's what I'm using to build my business, and I'm actually being able to siphon off the traffic that comes into this landing page, which I'm going to show you, and show you how to get access to it, and then sell them into any big ticket item, any sort of business opportunity, any sort of network marketing program, anything you have. It's basically it's opening a conversation with people that are opportunity seekers, right? Yes, if you're in a network marketing company, of course you want to find customers, and I'm hopefully you're using your blog and maybe some Facebook proof posts to get customers. But the real meat and potatoes is having business builders, right? Having business seekers or opportunity seekers join your program so that they go out and build their team, and you do repeatable stuff, and then you make residual income, which is the game. That's the goal, guys. Residual income. We want to make residual income. And what's the fastest way to make residual income? Well, there's lots of ways to do it. The slow way is what everyone is teaching you, is like go to an affiliate program, get a link, and then go spam it on Facebook or Twitter, or do a review blog on it, and then hopefully try to get traffic to it. That's the slow way to do it, guys. And it'll take forever. And I know people will tell you, and it's a ton of work, guys. I'm trying to rank my site, and I'm buying backlinks. I'm sending traffic this way. I'm sending traffic this way. And does it grow? Yeah. Do I get leads there? Yeah. But it's not a get rich quick. It's not even a get rich slow. It's a get rich for take a really long time. Unless I want to throw a ton of money at it. Again, it takes money, just like any business, and hire someone to write blog after blog after blog daily. And I could do that. I haven't gone there yet because I'm using another method, which is actually bringing me more money per lead. It's just that I'm paying for, instead of paying someone to write blogs, I'm paying someone to give me a lead, which then I can market to for the life of that lead. Some leads are going to be with you for 30, 60, 90 days. Some of them will be with you for years and buy a ton of stuff. I have some leads, guys, on my list. They've bought thousands of dollars of products that I've recommended. So one lead has made me thousands of dollars. Now, how much would I pay for a lead like that? Well, I'd pay a ton for a lead like that. But not all leads are equal, and you don't know what's going to do what. So what I want to show you is this great page. And guys, this is for real. I just sent it out to my list. So if you're on my list, you probably did get it. So this is our brand new landing page. Oh, it's doing that thing again. Let me see if I can correct this. Yeah, let me see what's going on here. It seems to be doing this zoom in thing. So let me try to correct that, guys. Window. Oh, I don't want to go. I want to be in here. Sorry, guys. I should have corrected this. Let me just pause, and I'll be right back. Ta-da! I knew I'd fix it. It just took me a second. All right. So this is our brand new funnel, brand new landing page. I just launched today. Now, you're probably going to start seeing it. If you're on a bunch of people's lists, you're going to start seeing it right away. I want you guys to have it because this is truly the real deal. And I know I keep driving it home to people, and I know so many people just want sort of the get rich quick, don't do any work. It doesn't work that way, guys. You need to find an offer that converts, and you need to send traffic at it. Like, it's just reality. Whether you're paying for ads on YouTube, paying for ads on Google, paying for ads on Bing, paying for ads on Facebook, you need to be paying to get that traffic to your site. There's just too much competition to be able to siphon off free traffic. I don't care what anybody tells you about this free traffic, that free traffic, this free traffic. It all ends up costing you money, whether it's time or is it money? And the problem with time is you just don't have enough time in the day. Like, yeah, I've spent hours on social media prospecting and going into, the spam groups or whatever you want to call them, and getting leads. Can you get leads that way? Absolutely. But man, does it take a long time. And a lot of times they don't do anything. I'd rather have a pay for that. My time is valuable. I'd rather pay to just get people onto my list, and then I can start marketing to them that way, instead of spending this time building rapport on social media. And a lot of times, guys, I find on social media, the people that are approaching you are just there to try to sell you their thing, right? So as opposed to putting your offer in front of someone, and that's why Facebook ads are good and all that stuff. But the cost per acquisition on a Facebook ad is huge right now, guys. So you better have a product that pays. So anyways, so going back to this is done for you. And why I love this system is because there's multiple streams of income. And I know some of you that have purchased it through my link, that came in and bought like the sort of the lead magnet, the $9 Millionaire Mastermind. That's a great product. There's a ton of training in it. But that only gives you the training. You want to become a reseller. And right now with this funnel, which is going to be the first link below, I'm going to put this link right here because I want you to go through this funnel. You're going to see the steps for it. And even if you're trying to build your own product, this is a great funnel to actually duplicate for your own thing. So go through the funnel just for that reason. So you're going to hit this, and once you put your email in, so this is a great headline. Make money from anywhere using just your phone plus this. So curiosity, right? Like curiosity, it's just all like it's right there, right? Like, oh, what is that curiosity? Revolutionary new viral system generates leveraged commission payments up to $1,000 per day. It's amazing. So you put your email in, you're going to be taken to this video sales page, and basically this is a great. So what happens is you can click the link here because I've been on the page long enough, but there's a timer. This doesn't appear until you're partway through the video. So you want to start playing it, and it's going to show you basically how people are using this system in order to build. Okay, so they're building an email list, which is your number one priority. They're building residual income in tools that you need if you're doing online marketing. So you're going to be using an autoresponder, and people are going to join your autoresponder under you. So you're going to be making residual income there, and they're going to join your traffic source under you, which pays an amazing residual income, including on traffic. Yes, can you go to Udemy and get solo ads? Absolutely. Traffic for me, I recommend both those sources. I use them. But guys, the highest converting traffic that I'm using right now is the traffic within this system. And I'm just being honest for you. If it wasn't, I wouldn't tell you to go do it, because I want you to be successful so you keep coming back. So that is basically the system that you want to get into. Now, if you're going, oh, but Glenn, it's all these pages and I'm techie and I'm trying to sell my network marketing program. Well, here's the deal. You want to, like I said at the beginning, you want to find people that are interested in business opportunities. So why not find a generic landing page that attracts people that are looking to make money online? That's how you want to get them in the door, right? You don't you don't advertise at a car dealership for something else, right? You go and you advertise cars. Oh, that's a bad analogy, but you know what I mean. Like you want to find people that are interested in making money online, looking for business opportunities, because those are the people that you want to work with. So I highly recommend get started. Go to the link below, right? Follow the funnel through. Everything has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you do purchase anything and you're not interested in owning it, then you can get your money back. I highly recommend going through the one-time offers and capitalizing on them if this is what you really want to do. I've spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on courses that I've never even used. I buy it because I think it's a good thing at the time, and then I go and I'm like, oh, that's not right. And sometimes, and I have gotten my money back on some stuff where I just go, oh no, why am I going down this rabbit hole? I don't want to do this. I want to do affiliate marketing. I want to be able to basically get up in the morning, write an email, hit send, and know at least $100 or $200 is going to hit my account that day, every day. and I want to do that in the evening, same thing. That's my idea of my business. So how do I get there? I need a big list, right? So why not use a system that builds my list for me? So and I was talking to someone the other day because there's I don't know if you've got Groove Apps yet. Great program. I've referred a whole bunch of people into Groove Apps, but it's just a tool, right? And it's a tool which is cool that you can get paid on by referring it. So this is the same idea, except it's got multiple tools that you need to run an online business, and you get paid on all of them, right? So you just keep putting people into this one sort of funnel, and then they join. Some join at this level, some join at this level, some join at all the levels, some buy traffic, and then you're getting traffic, and then what happens? They're on your list. Now you can maybe you've probably seen on my list. There's an AI bot that basically puts a line of code on your website, and then it pops up and it tells people, "Hey, subscribe to my list." Right? It's a great tool. I've sold tons of them now by marketing it to my list. Right? So anything that's congruent. Now, there's also a weight loss, and I know that some of the people, and maybe it's you, I know it's me, especially with COVID, we've put on weight. So I put in a little teaser at the very bottom of my emails, like say, hey, you want to see where my belly fat went? Right? People are like, what's that mean? They click on it, they get taken to a sales page, and I've sold weight loss products to my BizOp list, but not doing it as the top of the email. It's as an afterthought in the email, right? So think about that. So anyways, get started. Come and join the team. We're running a 90-day challenge right now. It's $10,000 top prize. You get access to all, once you become a reseller, so you want to become an affiliate there. Once you become a reseller, you get access to all the marketing tools. You get daily training Monday through Friday, every single morning, and every Thursday night you get an hour and a half training. So you will never not know what to do. I don't recommend, you have to join the Facebook group. So even if you hate Facebook and you're not on Facebook, you need to be on Facebook just to be part of the Facebook group. Okay? That's reality. There's so much gold in that Facebook group. I just joined a Facebook group that's costing me like a subscription every year, and there's not as much value in that one as there is in this one that I get every single day as part of this system. All right, guys. So make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you hit the link below. Get started. Message me as soon as you get in there. Message me because I want to bring you into the Facebook group. I want to introduce you to the leaders, and so you can start making money right away. That's what I got for you guys. Have a great day. Bye.